सबसे पहले हमारा डीसीसी प्रेसिडेंट नेता को बहुत बधाई देना चाहते हैं। हम चाहते हैं कांग्रेस का हिस्ट्री में एक नया चैप्टर शुरू करने के लिए। हमारा ट्रेडिशन है, हमारा कल्चर है, हमारा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर है, बट लीडरशिप चाहते हैं एक नया रास्ता हमारे लिए बनना चाहिए। आप लोग आई थिंक 45 डेज हो चुका आप डीसीसी प्रेसिडेंट बनने के बाद। बीच में इस दिनों में आपका काम कैसे है, आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था, आपका प्लान क्या है, आपका डिस्ट्रिक्ट में पार्टी मजबूत करने के लिए आपका प्लान क्या है, इस इश्यू पर सोचना चाहिए, डिसीजन होना चाहिए। मुकुल जी ऑलरेडी टोल्ड 10 दिन का कैंप नया एक्सपीरियंस है कांग्रेस हिस्ट्री में। कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष एक डीसीसी प्रेसिडेंट्स का कैंप इनागुरेट करने के इधर आ गया, वह भी नया एक्सपीरियंस है इन कांग्रेस हिस्ट्री में। हमारे बीच हमारा प्रेसिडेंट है, हमारे लिए गर्व है। इसी तरह प्रेसिडेंट हमारे साथ है, कांग्रेस पार्टी के लिए हमारे साथ है। उनका जीवन यात्रा कब शुरू किया? कैसे लेवल संघर्ष हो गया? एक पढ़ने के लिए एक विषय है हमारा कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष का जीवित यात्रा इटसेल्फ इज ए स्टडी मटेरियल। We are really proud of you, sir, because he started his career with a great struggle. Everything lost from the childhood itself. Everything lost in the childhood itself. Mother lost, others lost. But with great conviction, he started his career. Now also I can say proudly, in his age, he is the number one hard-working leader in the Congress party. Of course, Rahul ji is there. But whenever we are asking Karge ji, go to Gujarat, go to Madhya Pradesh, go to Haryana without any hesitation, our president is there. Therefore, my point is that this camp is one of the most important turning point in Congress history. This camp भाषण के लिए नहीं है। सचिन राव इज हियर। आई थिंक वी हैव ऑलरेडी, हमारे पास रिकॉर्ड है आप लोग का 40 डेज। पुराना समय में काम करने वाला है, काम नहीं करने वाला भी है पार्टी में। काम करने वाले के लिए प्रोत्साहन नहीं है, काम करना नहीं वाले के लिए शिक्षण भी नहीं है। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू चेंज दैट। Those who are doing the work, we will appreciate them, we will give promotion to them. Those who are not doing the work, with great humble request, we are asking them to relieve the post. One president is not coming for far in this camp. Last camp also he is not present. We are going to change him immediately. This is what our decision, I am telling you very clearly. हमारे पास रिपोर्ट है आपके साथ, आपका सोशल मीडिया, आपका काम कैसे है, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन डेवलपमेंट में, बूथ, ब्लॉक, मंडल, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में आपका रोल कैसे है। चार पैरामीटर में we are verifying. Therefore, I am telling to you frankly, Congress President also know about it, given the report of CP also. Some people are lacking organizational work and digital media work. Well, it is a time to improve for you people also. I don't want to name anybody, but only out of this 41, 12 people are on first class, I am telling you, first number in all aspects. The entire country, because Rahul Gandhi ji and Honorable Congress President, they want at least minimum 850 powerful, strong DCC president in the country. You are not like old DCC president. Directly monitoring by the AICC. AICC only selected you, not any leader. We are respecting leaders. We have to work with our leaders. But your duty is to strengthen the Congress party. Come what may. Don't involve group activities. Everybody has to work together. Gujarat is I think after 2 years, not in 2 years, we are going for election. वो हमारा एक ही लक्ष्य है, पूरा कांग्रेस कार्यकर्ता बूथ, मंडल, ब्लॉक, डिस्ट्रिक्ट एंड स्टेट कार्यकर्ता एक ही साथ लड़ने के लिए सब. Therefore, I think now entire country witnessing a big agitation because you know vote chori program is going on everywhere. I think Gujarat also done that. Create a big momentum all over India by Congress workers. Every Congress worker is proud of our leader Rahul Gandhi now. The way in which he took up that issue and built up that issue and the yatra he had done in Bihar create a big momentum all over the country. We need to keep that momentum. In Gujarat also, block, mandal, district, everywhere, we need to keep the momentum. So that's why I'm not going to, I will come again and have a clear-cut organizational discussion with you people. Now, Honorable Congress President is here. We are all here to hear him. Though I think this camp, you have to take it, this camp is a turning point in all of your life, political life. Each DCC president has to think about that. In your political life, this training camp is going to be one of the milestone of your yatra. Therefore, be active, be passive, and very much involved in the discussions and everything. With these words, we are expecting because we have done in Gujarat first, इसके बाद मध्य प्रदेश हरियाणा हो चुका, नाउ 5 जगह में हम शुरू किया. Within 3 months, entire country having a selected DCC presidents. We are expecting big result from Gujarat DCC president. Be active, be strong. Nobody can defeat us. With these words, once again, I am congratulating all of you. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.